Right, I will download the slide. Which one, yeah? Okay, download, print, all of it. All right, okay. Right, and I will put it in Teams. Okay, so you can open, yeah, any folder lah. IoT slide day 2, right? So you can open Teams, you can go to the general and look for the files tab, and you will find IoT slide day 2. Okay. Right, so macam mana semalam? Okay. How do you feel our training yesterday? Is it okay? Okay. Apa yang okay, Terence? Apa yang okay? The hands-on part, right? You did not get boring? Yes, student punya sudah ke? Baca. Okay. Right? Okay. So, who still remember what we have learned yesterday? Basically, yesterday we did some of electrical part whereby you connect the components, right? You supply the current. You make the terminals on your breadboard, right? Then what else? We did some demonstration on analog and digital signal, right? I hope you guys still remember how digital signals looks like and how analog signal looks like, right? Then we did produce output for digital and analog, right? So the biggest difference between these two, if based on LED, digital can only turn on and off. Meanwhile, analog, we can dim the brightness of the LED, right? So, yeah. Okay. So, this is what we went through yesterday, right? So, the difference between analog and digital, right? Then we use our board, ESP32S. Then we apply some of the code and we prove the signal. Okay. Then, yeah, for output, analog output, we make use of PWM, right? So PWM stand for pulse width modulation. Pulse kan, tet, 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 that is pulse, right? But this one, kalau dia panjang ni macam tet, 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 macam itulah. So that's why they call it as a pulse width modulation, right? Pulse and dia punya width, right? Okay. Then we did some application that we use tissue paper to moist our sensor, moist our water sensor, right? Okay. Right, okay. Done. So, open your Arduino IDE. make sure that your potentiometer still producing analog value. Okay? This is important, yeah, because we're going to use it a lot for today. No need to unplug, rewire or anything. Just make sure that your potentiometer still working. Do you know what is potentiometer? The one that you turn, right? Make sure it is still working. Let me wait for my Arduino IDE. I don't know. I think Arduino IDE haven't wake up yet. Right. So for me, I connect to where? Let me check. Let me check. I connect to 36 if I'm not mistaken. Right? So you can refer to the pin out 36. Okay? So for me, I connect to 36. Alright? Okay, new sketch. Right? Please get used to write a program. 36. Then this one is serial begin 115200. Okay. Then I would like to declare value M. Alright. Then value M equal to analog read P meter potentiometer serial print line value M. Right? So this just want to make sure that the potentiometer is still working. Right? Of course, you need to select a board. I haven't plugged my board yet. Dun, dun, dun. Right? So yeah, just to make sure that the COM number of your device. Right? So over here I have COM 9. So just making sure that I connect to the correct COM. And I would like to select my board ESP32 development module. Done. Okay. So I run it. Okay. Right. Okay, done. Suppose should be fine. Okay. So I will open my serial monitor. Yeah, it working just fine. But I would like to put a delay. I forgot to put a delay here. Maybe I want delay 500 millisecond. Right? Okay, so my potentiometer working just fine. Right? So make sure that your potentiometer working just fine. Because these are the data that we try to send to our platform. Okay? Right? So make sure you get your analog signal just right. Boleh? Ada yang tak dapat ke? Okay. 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 You guys okay? Hmm. Okay? Your partner did not come today. MC. Dah, okay. Maybe try lah. Twist. Tak ada pun. Pin number berapa? 34, are you sure? 34? The blue one. 36. Tukar? 36. Okay. Okay. Right? Miss Long, your partner busy, is it? Okay, can Long. Okay. ESP32. E. Scroll down until E. Yeah, ESP32. Yes, correct. Wait. I think this is not connected. Okay. There. Okay. I think this one is 36. Wait. Let me see. Huh? Yeah, I think 36. This one. The red light, the red one, right? Connected to here. So over here, if you see the pin out, it's 36. Hmm. Okay. Open your serial monitor. Yeah, can. Maybe you can try to twist the meter. Yeah. Okay. Done. Okay, you guys. Then. All right. Okay. You done? Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, that's fine. So basically, we already have our meter working. All right. Enough of it. Okay. So today we shall begin our slide lah. Okay. So what we have done yesterday is only control system, right? It's not yet an IoT, right? So what we have done yesterday, it is more on embedded system, right? We haven't make it IoT yet, right? So today we're going to get involved communication, networking, right? Data, then it will become one of the IoT application. Right? So we need to apply connectivity to our system. Right? So connectivity can be various methods. Right? So yeah, if you can see here, it can be location, it can be a phone call, we call as a GSM, right? It can be a message, it can be an email, or it can be a Wi-Fi, right? So if you look into the diagram that I showed to you yesterday, we're going to cover this thing, this part, where your thing, which is this one, going to send data to the gateway, right? So in normal cases, they will create a small PC to become a gateway, either by using Raspberry Pi or a computer itself, right? So today, we're going to make use of this computer as our gateway, right? So the communication is between your thing to your gateway, right? Okay. So the one that we have today, the one that we did yesterday is just a programming. It's not communication. Even if it is a communication, it's throughout the serial communication using our USB, right? But today we will make use of networking. Right. So as we can see on ESP32, there are no internet port. Am I right? So if there are no internet port, we need to use wireless, right? So what kind of wireless options that provide by ESP32? Right? So you can see the data sheet if you want to, but I just simplify it. ESP32 provide Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, right? So this is two communication that we have, right? Other than that, other board maybe might use LoRa or NFC or GSM itself or mesh or RFID, depend on the situation, right? But for us today, we're going to cover on using Wi-Fi, right? This is the most easiest connection that we have here right now, right? Okay, so this is the options. So for wired, we have internet, fiber. Ni dah belajar networking kan? Last semester. So this is the options. Then we have our cellular, 5G, 4G, the one that you use on your phone that having SIM card. Some cases, your abandoned system also can use SIM card. Depend on the situation, right? If that area that you want to send a data does not have internet access, it just have a cellular access, then you need to use this kind of thing, sending SMS only, right? Then we have satellite, we're not really using. Short range, we have our Wi-Fi here, right? We have our Bluetooth, Zigbee, and others. So, but these three is the most common options. Then for LP1, one apa? Wide area network. We have our WiMAX, Sigfox, LoRa, and other thing lah. Right? But today, we're going to use, mana tadi? We're going to use Wi-Fi. Right? Okay, so this is the advantage and disadvantage of all the criteria. Right? Cellular, you have long range, but medium battery life. Then the data rate up to 100 megabyte per second. Then where are we? Kita dekat mana? Kat sinilah local area network, right? So up to 100 megabyte per second, short, medium, but it is easy to access. Building in home suitable for Wi-Fi, right? Okay. Yeah, this is another comparison chart whereby Wi-Fi has a higher speed and consume more power, but in terms of distance is quite limited, right? But the reason why we're using Wi-Fi, it is cheap, right? And it is easy to get, right? If we need to use cellular, we need to give every each of you a SIM card for you to connect, right? So this is the reason why we are using Wi-Fi. Right, so you did learn on OSI layer, right? So protocol like HTTP and others will depend on the layers. For example, HTTP belong to transport layer. Okay, there are two. One is OSI layer, another one is forgot already. Apa? One OSI layer, another one is TCP/IP, right? So yeah, HTTP belong to transport layer, but I want to highlight one thing that we're going to use heavily today, which is MQTT. This is one protocol that commonly used for Internet of Things, right? So we will have a look on the definition later, and this protocol belong to application layer, right? Right, MQTT. What is MQTT? Stand for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. It's a lightweight, publish-subscribe, machine-to-machine network protocol for message queuing service. It is designed for connections with remote locations. Remote locations. It is more suitable for remote locations, meaning that it does not consume a lot of bandwidth compared to HTTP, right? Kenapa? If HTTP, you have your own design, right? The heavy web page and so on, right? But for MQTT, it just transmitting text, okay? Right. So this is MQTT, yeah? Right, how MQTT works. So basically, from the sensor itself, it will publish. So there are two terminology here for MQTT, publish and subscribe. Okay? Bukan subscribe Instagram YouTube bukan. Right, for example, we have two person here. Right? So publish, we can say that it will speak out. Okay, dia akan cakap berapa? Let's say that 1,400. So dia akan repeatedly saying that. Right? So this is what we call as a publish. Right? Then it depends either you want to listen or not what these people said. Right? If you're not listen, you just go away like that, right? But if you want to listen, you will get that value. 1,400. If you want to listen, this is what we call as a subscribe. Right? And this person will publicly publish the info. Right? Whoever want to listen, they're able to listen. Okay? Any of you want to subscribe, you can do so. Right? For example, Danny, say his name, for example. If whoever want to know his name, then you should listen. If not, you can just ignore, meaning that you're not subscribing. Okay? So these are two terminology, right? So instead of people, we use our devices, right? So what our devices send? Analog value, right? So this one, instead of this, it is our PC. So basically, it transfer the value, it will publish the value, and the PC going to subscribe the value. Subscribe. Okay? But in between, there must be a broker. Let's say let's say this tower, communication tower. They call it as a broker. To be specific, MQTT broker. Right? It is machine to machine, but at the middle, there will be one MQTT broker. Right? So, since this is the case, right, it not necessarily only one PC, it can be multiple. Can be a lot. Right? Okay? As long you get the info of this published info. Right? And this one also is not only one. It can be multiple. Okay? So, the arrangement of this is up to you. Either you want to see it in one dashboard, or you want to do it like a separate dashboard. It is up to you. Okay? So, this broker, we're going to use MQTT broker. This is a free broker, Hive MQ, right? Never mind, we will have a look later, right? So here it stated that the sensor publish the value, and then the laptop subscribe it, then the mobile device subscribe and get the info. Okay? Right, let's go. Right, if you can see in general, class materials, and under codes. Right, so to cut time short, I just code it for you. Right? Don't worry, it is not me who code from the scratch. I get it from the documentation, of course. Right? So you can download it, and either you want to copy paste or you want to straight away open it, it's up to you. Okay? Alright, let me turn off my other code first. Yes. Okay, oh, it's pretty long, right? No worries. We will go through one by one. Right, so that's why we just to cut time short, I just give you the code, okay? Right, another thing. Oh, not check. Okay, so before this, we did not use h include, right? Why? Because the internal library is sufficient for us, right? When I say internal library, I'm talking about digital write, digital read, analog write, analog read, serial print, and all of it. It is on built-in library or internal library. But when we want to use a special function like this, that using Wi-Fi, we need to include the library so that it can be connected. Boleh? Faham eh? Right, instead of declaring our PIN, we need to declare our information, right? So we need to declare our title, we need to declare our SSID, and we need to declare the key, right? Wi-Fi password, right? Then we need to create variables, for example, like for timer, title, SSID, and so on. Okay? So this function to measure either your Wi-Fi is connected or not. Okay? If it is connected, it's going to display this one, connected, Wi-Fi connected. Kalau disconnected, it's going to display this case, right? So dekat sini dia pakai switch case, right? The value is event, right? Okay. Then the setup a little bit different from us yesterday. Serial begin sama, then we have our value passing, right? So default title ni daripada mana? Default title we declare it on the top. Sama juga dengan default SSID, default password. We declare on the top. But hdefine not declaring as a variable, right? It's just declare a name with a value. It's not variable. So that's why we need to pass the value to our beloved variables, right? Then ID, right? This is existing or I would say included library in Wi-Fi or ESP32 function. This function to get the unique ID for every each of the device, right? So the macam MAC address lah. That's why dia cakap itu ESP get effuse MAC, right? So every devices has its own MAC address kan. Then IDS, we try to convert the value into hexadecimal. Then kita uppercasekan dia. Then we begin the Wi-Fi using the SSID and the password. Then we call the function of the event. Either it is connected or not. Okay. Then on the loop apa kita buat? We try to get the IP address, right? So every connected internet will get their own IP address, right? So we will print the IP address and the device ID. Alright, okay. So kita try, boleh ke tak? Dah run ke belum? Ada yang dah run? Jalan ke tak? Ada error. What error? Oh, mine pun stuck mesti ada error. Cuba. Okay. Okay. Tak saya macam. IP address. Okay. Ni Wi-Fi connected kan? Wi-Fi connected, IP address. If you see here, kalau dia connected, dia akan connected lah. Wi-Fi connected. So, bawah lagi. Ni down the code. Bawah lagi. Ni loop kan? So, it will display IP address and ID. Itulah. Your friend over here can, meaning that all of you should be able lah. Right, so right now, kita dah dapat IP address. Right, so open your command prompt and ping that IP. Can we reach that IP? Ping je lah terus. Ping. Malas. Type balik. No, type balik. Space. You need to space after ping. Okay. Tak boleh pun? Tak boleh. Cannot, is it? Why? Okay. Cannot ping. Can ping? Are you sure, Danny? Ni unreachable. The fact. Receive? No. Zero. Right, okay. Never mind. If you cannot ping, it's not your fault. It's not your program fault. It's based on the network lah. Either they allow to ping or not. Okay. But if you connect to, I think if you connect to Bosch Resrock, it should be able to ping. Right? But never mind. That is not so important. Right? So basically, when you connect like that, you will get the IP address. Every each of us will get independent IP address. Right? So basically, we just spam the Wi-Fi to be connected whole 25 devices. Right? Okay. If you want to see it again from the start, you can push on the left button and it will reset. Okay? So you can see from the start lah how they get connected. Okay? Right. Okay. On the right side, device ID, it is unique. Every each of the board will have unique ID. Right? So this ID we will use as our publish topic. Okay? Okay. Alright. Boleh? Ada soalan? Kenapa? Zero? What is zero? What is it? It's because of what, firewall kot. Firewall did not allow you to ping. Maybe. Never mind. Nothing big deal. Alright, okay. So this is the first step whereby you connect to the Wi-Fi, right? So if you can see the code, not so long, not so short, it about 46 line, right? So yeah. Okay. So if you want to modify the code, you are welcome to do so. But make sure that you able to know, you able to identify what kind of adjustment that you make, right? But this is a default code for you to get the IP address and also the device ID and how to set the SSID and password. Alright, okay, done. Okay, then we have another code. Alright, so number 2. So kita download code tu pula. Yang tadi boleh tutup Alright, so this code I already merge between Wi-Fi connection and MQTT. So you can find the code a little bit longer up until 94 lines, right? So if you can see, instead of only having Wi-Fi library, I also include the MQTT library, which we call as a pub sub client. Pub is not the pub that you go on the night. Bukan yang tu Publish. Pub stand for publish. Sub stand for subscribe. So this is a library that we need when we want to use MQTT function. Right? Boleh? Boleh Alright. Okay, so when we include MQTT, we also need to include some parameter. Alright? Okay, maybe I want to delete the username and password. We just do it public first. Okay, so over here we have our MQTT. So as long it's stated MQTT, meaning that the info we use for MQTT. Right, so for the broker, right, we need our broker link, right? Then we need our topic, okay? So this is just a default information. Topic in, topic out. This is important because you need to separate between which one that you want to publish and which one you want to subscribe. It can be either way, right? So we will see the communication later. Right, so this is the previous function on the Wi-Fi, either it connected or disconnected. Alright, then I did use one of the LED as my output. Okay, so atas mesti adalah LED 16. Is it? I hope that I connect to 16. Yeah, okay. So if you connect one of the LED, you should adjust the pin to your preference lah. Alright, then what else? Yang ni sama je macam tadi. We pass the value of SSID and password to our variable. We get the MAC address. Then we transform the ID into hexadecimal, 16 base letter. Right, then we make it uppercase. Then this is for Wi-Fi. And this is to set the broker, MQTT broker. Okay. And this is the port number. Right. So every PC, it has a port number. So we are using 1883. This is a default port number. Okay. Then we call MQTT event. Alright, never mind. So we just go forward first. Okay, this is just now the IP address. And this is where I get my analog value. I'm just making sure again, either I connect to the 36. Mine is 36, right? Okay, so if the Wi-Fi connected, I would like to send the value of analog value. Boleh? Okay, message ni. Dalam message, dalam code tu is a text, right? Then when you add plus symbol and the value, you basically text plus your analog value, right? Okay. Okay. Boleh? Okay. So this one you can uncomment if you want to. Serial print line lah. For me, I comment first. For first round, comment dulu. Right? So topic out. Topic out ni kita pakai IDS. IDS is our board number. Right? Okay, then what else? What else? Publish. So kita start lah publish. We have the text that we want to publish. We have our topic based on our IDS number. Okay, kita dah ada topik, kita dah ada link of broker. Then we can start to publish. So this is a function used for publish. Client.publish, open bracket. The first one is the topic out ID, and the next one is the message. Right? Then dia akan connect to the MQTT broker. Kalau ada respon, okay. This one we use for subscribe. Okay. Receiving. Alright. So receiving. Okay. So the difference is topic in/in, but topic out/out. Out meaning that we sending out. In we receiving. Okay. Done. Right. So you can go into detail lah, if you want to. Right. Right. So MQTT event totally for receiving. Let's say that we will have a look later. Don't worry. Okay, done. So select board again because I just use a new code, right? So it did not memorize my board. Okay. Yang komen tu biar remain komen dulu, sebab kita ada reason kenapa kita nak. Alamak. Okay. It stated here that no such file or directory. Is it true? Okay. Why this happened? Because we did not install the library. On your left side, there are sketchbook, board manager, and library manager. Right? On library manager, you click, then it will extend like this. When it extend like this, you try to type exactly as the library. Pub sub client. Right? Okay, so you have your pub sub client library by Nick O'Leary version 2.8.0. Boleh? Then you click install. So it will install the library for you. Okay, Denny? Can install? Okay. Boleh? Okay. You guys? Mana? Dah install lah library. Wow. Okay. Serial monitor. Jangan lupa. Okay. Oh, okay. Never mind. Sekejap. Dah, buka serial monitor. Tu. Connecting tu. Okay, dah. Subscribe tu. Okay, dah. Alright, okay. Okay. Mana? Okay, try run. Then? Okay or not? Try to. Okay, compiling. Why? Kenapa banyak sangat ni kamu? Later you confused. Masalah ke kah? Ya. Ini delete lah. Tak jalan ni. Hah? Dah tak? Value je delete. Value dalam code tu delete. Ini credential lah. Credential untuk broker. Delete je lah. Itu jangan, tu biar. Tu broker link. Okay, scroll atas. Okay, done. Okay. Itu untuk status connectivity. Connected or disconnected? Dia pakai switch case lah. Okay. Lepas tu, ni. Ini LED ni. Make sure LED ni betul lah. Pin berapa? Okay. Okay. Lepas tu yang ni dia transfer je balik the value tu. Okay. This one untuk MAC address. This one for convert lah. dia every device kan yang ada networking dia akan ada MAC address dia. Tapi bila dia pakai function ni, dia dapat raw data. So kena convert into hex dan kena uppercase kan dia. MAC address biasa uppercase lah. Yang ni untuk wifi lah. Wifi event betul lah. Tu standard lah. Untuk default. Okay, bawah analog tu 36. Betul? Ya. Betul lah. Kenapa? Tak ada apa. Betul. So yang ni untuk publish. Okay, yang ni untuk publish. Yang ini untuk subscribe. Yes, correct. Yang else ni kalau fail lah. Betul? Ni bukan. Ni bukan. Ni kalau ada error. Yang ni out. Ni. Yang ni kan? If else yang ni kan? Ni out. Ni. Topic out. Kira publish lah. Betul? Receiving lah ataupun subscribe lah. Depend lah mana satu yang prefer. Okay, alright. Okay, done. Do you get your MQTT broker connected? Connecting, okay, good. Can you reset? No, never mind. Ni. We need to capture that first. You need to comment the serial first. Then compile, upload first. Because we want to know your ID. Okay. Ni. Copy this thing to notepad. Alright, okay guys. So, for me, I haven't upload yet. Alright, try to comment first, yeah. Try to comment the serial print first. Right, so let me try. So, bila dah banyak library, dia compile dia lambat sikit I hope the broker can accept our 25 devices. Right, okay, serial monitor. Let me just reset button. Right, so basically you will get your ID. Okay, so this ID you need to copy and you can put to the notepad maybe. Okay, boleh? Okay, don't try to copy my ID lah because every devices has its own unique ID. Right, okay, in or out ni boleh cancel lah. Right, okay. So this is your ID. You need to remember your ID. So that if you have multiple nodes or multiple things, it does not conflict each other. This is why we use the ID. By right, you can use anything as your topic, but for us, we just use the ID to get a unique number, hexa number. Right, done. Okay, put it aside. Then we're going to have a look on the broker itself. So, just now, we use apa nama broker dia? Broker Hive MQ. So, cuba kita cari Hive MQ broker. Alright, jumpa dah. Okay, this one, the first result. The free public MQTT broker by Hive MQ. Nampak ke? Nampak? Tak nampak? Google je lah. Hive MQ Broker. Alright, okay, never mind. Kita tengok dulu. Try lah cari dulu Accept lah. Okay. Try MQTT browser client. Boleh? Ya, betul. This one. Okay, accept. Boleh padam. This one pun padam. Okay, scroll down. Okay, mana? Scroll up. Up again. Up lagi. Up. Tekan, move your cursor here. Cuba client tu. Lama, mention. Kenapa lain? Okay, this one. I close others Okay, this one Boleh? Oi, dah buka dah. Okay. Dah? Oh, ya betul. Mantap. I think the other result, yeah, this one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, I don't know what's the difference, but we got this browser client. They must be here lah. I don't know where lah.
This one
I think so. Okay. Then, okay. All right, good. Okay. How about you? Are you okay? All right. Okay, good. Okay, so right. Oh, not good here. Huh? Why?
Also don't know.
Why are you using the old one?
Oh, no.
The? Ada? Okay. The value? Okay. Right, but this one you cannot see, right? Okay, so make it big. Okay. Yang this one dekat dalam loop kan? Okay, serial ni comment dulu. Comment Right, so we compile. Okay, connecting. Okay, so dia tak adalah this one, right? Okay, so this one, this is the important part. Right? So you need to copy this to the notepad so you can remember. Alright, okay. Right. So the one that okay, let me click this one. Then I have my I just make it bigger lah can't see. Alright, okay. So we try to connect to the broker. Just press connect. No need to change anything, just let it default, then connect. Okay, now we connected. Boleh? Right. Then, ingat tak notepad ni? So this notepad, we copy that, go to our topic. Then we slash out. Kenapa out? Because we try to get the info of this out. Kan? Yang ni kan, topic out ni. Kita nak info dia. Apa info dia? Sensor value. Kita nak this value. That's why we slash out. Okay. So inside our broker, we copy paste the IDS. Then we slash out. I try to make it bigger. Okay. Dah connected, copy topic, slash out, then you select the quality of service to, then salah, sorry. Ni publish. Kita kena add new subscription. Right? Sama juga. Ni out. Okay, subscribe. Ni in Publish in. So kita dapatlah value dia. So bila kita adjust, dia akan reflect. Alright, okay. Yang ni dua-dua PC boleh buat. Two PC communicate with one thing. Boleh? Okay, kita try to adjust. Any changes or not? No? Why? Tu. Tak ada. Ada ke tak? Tu. 1000. Longgar kot. I think longgar. Alright, okay. Boleh? You also can do the same. You can two PC communicate with one. Yeah. Why? What's up? Yeah. Yeah. Ada? Try to change the value.
Oh, okay.
Ada? 0. Longgar ni. Tu maximum value. How about you? You also can do. Connect. Connect. Okay. Add new. Okay. Copy paste the code. Macam mana nak copy? Boleh? Then you got the value? Kamu jeling. Kuat jeling dia ni. Ni, this one. Copy paste. Oh. Oi. Slash out. Out. No. In buang.
Buka out.
Okay, subscribe.
Then
Yang ni
out.
in. Ni in.
Here in.
Okay, sini. True. Cepatlah. Tu try. Publish. Do. QS dua. Quality of service. Kita ambil maksimum je lah. Tekan. Tu. LED menyala. False. Tu try. Janganlah dia enter tadi. Okay. Tu LED padam. Okay. This one in, right? True. TRUE. Okay. You see the LED? Mana? 16. Are you sure? The LED is 16? Why the broker is not connecting? Broker is not connecting. Can we try to reset? Nah, dah. So let's see. We try for. There LED on. Okay. Press false. F. Okay. Hmm? Uh,
Betul mas.
ni X dulu. Connect dulu. Connect to the
Oh.
broker first. Okay. Dah. Ni in betul? Okay. Ni out. Betul? Dah? Okay. Right. Okay. You guys okay? Dah. Oh, Kak. Dahsyat. Dah pula password pula keluar. Mana? Quality of service. Tu menyala sini. Boleh? False kan? Okay. So tengok kod Vic. Kod kat hang Tengok kod. Okay. So bawah sekali kan? Bawah sekali. Kita ada satu MQTT event ni. Kan? Kita receive argument ni lah. Argument ni daripada sini. Kita receive. So dia akan ada conversion lah. Ini array lah. Kan nak dapatkan sebulat text kan. So kalau accuracy receive, ini temporary lah. Value apa yang receive kan. So kalau kat sini dia nampak lah yang true false tu yang Amir try adalah. Okay, so kalau true dia onkan LED. Kalau false, kalau nak tukar ayat lain pun boleh kan. Nak tukar ayat 01 ke 00 apa benda. Boleh. Okay. Boleh? Okay. Never mind. This one you no need to connect. We already use internet. This one in, try to type through. TRUE. Wait, you try to compile, is it? Wait, banyaknya fail. Broker tak connect ni. Reset, try to reset. This one. No. There are reset button here on the left side. If you click this one, it will reset. Dah, okay. Okay, this one delete. Okay. Yeah, true. Try to type through TRUE. No. Okay, lowercase t. Okay. There, LED turn on. False. Turn false. Sini. Okay, on the code, lower. This is the ni lah, true and false. So if true, LED high, false, LED low. Right? So receive ni, this one lah. Receive. Okay? Can not necessarily true. You can change to other word lah. Alright, okay. Boleh? Boleh? All good? Okay. Right, ready to next move? Okay. Right, so basically what we did here, we communicate through MQTT broker. So MQTT broker, basically you need a topic that we use our IDS, right? So it either out or in, right? So kalau nak subscribe, kita ambil out. Kalau nak publish, kita ambil in. Okay? Same goes with this one. This one is out. Kalau nak subscribe, kita ada in. Alright, okay. So basically, this code represent our activity, right? Whatever that we receive from the device, this is the thing that we subscribe. So if I want to subscribe Mr. Chin, I just add a new topic here using that ID, then I can subscribe his data, right? So if everyone in this class want to subscribe my info, you can do so as long you get my topic, right? Topic slash out lah, right? Because I'm sending it out. Right, so but this one we use this platform, which is belong to Hive MQ, right? So after this, we going to use our dashboard to create a little bit fancy interface for us to see. Okay? All right. Done. Right, so I want you to make some adjustment here whereby we did not want the, wait we did not want the text. We just want purely on the value. Alright? Siapa duk hello-hello eh? Okay, let me try to compile. So basically, I want to display only the analog value. Right? So let me give it a try. Okay. See, I want solely the value. Right? I don't want the text. Text tak nak. Right, done. So maybe we can stop for a while for this one. You can just minimize it. This one also minimize it. Right. So right now, we try to do dashboarding. Okay. Right. So it can be many device to many device. It's up to you. Right. So next thing that we want to do is Node-RED. Node-RED is an application, a web-based application where we can display our data nicely, right? Okay, so open command prompt, right? And type Node-RED. So this command to make sure that the services for Node-RED is running. Enter. Node-RED, enter. Then dia akan start run lah. Dia akan load palette nodes. Lamanya. Okay, done. So the last sentence is started flows. Right? Okay, if you can see here, you can see the link. Right? So this is a home link. Right? Local host. So you copy this link and open in your browser. So basically you can load up a marah ke? Right, okay. So basically you have like this. Boleh? Alright, okay. So ada, okay, this is the interface of node RAID. Okay? Everyone okay? Ya, yang command prompt tu jangan tutup Let it running and minimize. Then go to your browser, then enter the home IP with the port number. Then you can get this kind of interface, right? For yours, I believe it is empty like this lah, right? Let me see either I include this in my slide or not. Oh, tak ada. Okay. So basically, just run a command prompt. Yang IDS tu simpan We're going to use it later. Okay, done. Boleh? Okay. So instead of we subscribe from using this website, we want to try Okay. We want to try to make it here, right? So what you can do, you can type MQTT, right? You drag the MQTT in here, then you search for debug. Okay, then you connect the dot. Boleh? Then, so inside, you just double click the MQTT, right? You can add another MQTT broker. The name is Hive MQ. Then the server is what? Broker Hive MQ. Okay. Then the topic dekat notepad ni /out. Okay. Never mind, I will go one by one, don't worry. Hai. Lah, siapa padam? Okay, dah. This one, I just load it. Okay. So, if you can see here that we receive the value using node RAID. Instead of using Hive MQ, we use, boleh. What was this? Okay, buka code. Coding. Okay, scroll up. Scroll up. Okay, copy link ni. Broker. Okay. Okay, copy paste. No, yeah, I had a browser. Copy paste it here. Alright, okay. Yep. Okay, topic. Copy paste the notepad. Notepad. Okay, copy. Right. Paste it topic, yeah. But this one is out, not in. Out. Oh, no, no. Lowercase. Okay, done. Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. Deploy. Okay. Ni gambar kumbang Yep, you got the value here. Okay. Alright, okay. Ya, tak ada. Dan? Betul. Dan update.
Update.
Okay, this one topic dan.
Done.
Okay, deploy.
Oh,
Okay, on the bug symbol.
okay.
Tak ada apa? This one you tutup ke apa?
Oh,
Okay. Sekejap. Ha? Betul? Tekan deploy.
oh, deploy dulu. Okay.
Gambar bug. Bug. Sebelah. Sekejap. Tak ada apa. Ni out.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Ni value dia. Okay, Din?
Oh,
Banyak dah. Lantak lah. You guys okay or not? Command prompt.
okay.
Type. No. This is what? Type. Not rate. NO. Follow kayo. No dash. Okay. Enter. Okay. Started, right? Okay. Copy this link. Okay. Open in your browser. Others you can close. Not rate. Dash. NODE. Dash. No dash. Dash. RED. Enter. Okay. So it will start the service. Alright. Copy this link. Dah. Okay, you can just skip if you want to. Copy, then open in your browser. Yeah, paste. Alright, okay. So you can skip, you can read, up to you. So here you search MQTT. Yeah, that one. Okay, you search another one is debug. Okay, connect these two. Okay, done. MQTT. Setting this up. No, double click only. Then server, add. Okay, so we add a server. Open your code. Copy, scroll up. Copy the server. Broker -MQ. Copy, then you paste it here. Connection. Paste it, yeah. This one you give it name -MQ. MQ. Okay. Add topic. Copy the topic. Do you still remember the topic? Never mind, just copy it here. Okay. /out. /out. Sekejap Sekejap. Done. Okay. Sana sikit, tarik sikit. Okay. Deploy. Okay. Bug symbol. Yeah. There. You get your value.
Oh,
Okay.
no, I using the LWR one.
Go LDR.
Or I connect to the.
Up to you lah. Okay. Then this is out. Double click here. Add MQTT broker. No. Cancel out. Not that one. Add this one. Okay. Do you have your code? Open your code. Click. Okay. Scroll up. Copy the link. Broker -MQ. Okay. Paste it here. Give it a name. -MQ. -MQ. Okay. Add. Right. Topic. We need to get our topic. At your code. Do you have a topic? Hmm. Ask home for the topic. Topic apa home? Topic. Yeah, Sarah.
Saya nama ada pergi sebab
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, connect. Boleh? Okay. Lost the connection. Try buka ni. Dan balik, Norik. Okay. Pergi balik sini. Ni jangan padam. Refresh kot. Lambat lah 13 saat. Refresh lah. Okay, buat balik. Debug. Okay, betul. Okay, copy link. Copy link. Broker link, ya. Paste mana tu? Mana paste? Okay. Name? Name? Have MQ. Boleh je. Okay. Add. Name macam label lah. Topik. Okay, letak topik. Ada Sarah, Sarah. Out, out. Out. Done. Okay, deploy. Okay. Ya, cuba pusing. Ada value, tak ada value. Okay, alright. Okay. Alright, okay. Okay. As I said before, try to remove the text. So get the pure value like this. Get the pure value like this. Only the value. Remove the text. Sensor value tu remove. Siapa yang program? Okay. Yeah, open that. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, wait. So this one. Okay, let me. Okay, kita copy dulu lah so that we can backup this just in case you want to use it again. This. Okay. So ni kita backup lah. Okay. So this one kita tak nak text ni, tak nak. Kita nak this one only. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Deploy. Dah deploy belum? Klik ya. Deploy. And bug symbol. See the bug symbol? Yep. Okay. Done. Okay, done. Okay, buka ni. See the value like this, right? Okay, hold. Right. Okay. So when you get the value like this, it's only the value itself, right? So when you get the value itself, we can transform it into something else, right? So either you can refer to my slide or you want to follow my step. It is up to you lah. Right, so in my slide, I stated here, yeah, this is the setting for MQTT. Then, yeah, I try to add a gauge, a meter, right? So if we have a clean value, we can add the meter. So we put it gauge. Dekat bawah ni. So debug basically to display for your debugging and gauge for your visualization, right? So you double click the gauge, then let me adjust a little bit. Yeah. Okay, wait a minute. The maximum value is 495. 4095. Then done. Then deploy. Deploy. Let me try to open my dashboard. Yep, that was it. Okay. Kejap. Let me open the settings so that you guys can refer. Okay. Alright. Okay. What was it? Gosh. Kenapa tak ada?
Tahu?
Tak ada ya?
Ya.
Semua orang tak ada? Ayo. Alright, never mind. If you don't have that, we try to install one, yeah? Sorry for overlook this thing. Okay, dash. I don't know what this called, like setting. Then manage palette. Then install. Then try to find Gotch. Okay. Let me try to search mine. Ni nama dia. Node-RED dashboard. Ada tak? Install that one. Ada? Tak ada? This one. Palette. Cuba type Gotch ada? Tak ada lah. Okay, never mind. Okay, install. Type Gotch. Tukar. Node-RED dashboard. That one. Install. Node-RED dashboard install. Okay. You can read. Oh, dah ada. Okay. Okay, this one create. Okay, you can give the name. The name bagi ESP32. Okay, add a new dashboard desktop. Okay, name bagi I don't know. Just give it the name lah. Apa-apa lah. Lol. Okay. Okay, done. Add. Okay, potentiometer. Lol. Okay, the maximum value. Okay, done. Deploy. Okay, then open that drop down. No. Yeah, dashboard. Okay, open this link. There you go. Lol mana? Lol ni. Okay. Yeah. Berjaya. Deploy ya. Ni dah.
Kena tekan deploy ya.
Ni dah setting.
Oh, belum ni.
Okay, kita setting dulu. Ikut Amir. Amir laju. Sana Amir, sana. Ni start lah. Okay. Boleh nama pun nanti hang nampak lah kat mana benda tu berada. Afiq hebat. Okay. Dash Afiq. Okay, done. Tak ada apa. Ni got je. Maximum value 4095. 495 saya hai. Okay. Dan deploy. Okay. Tekan ni. Dashboard. Dia keluarkan dia. Oh. Tu kat sini lah. Dash Afiq tu yang hamba tu. Got tu kat sini. Din, sekejap. Are you okay? Yeah, just create a new one. This is just a matter of giving names. You put name. Mula lah tu nak merepek-repek tu. This one also. Okay, this one. The name. Put it IoT, something like that lah. Okay, add. Okay, add. The maximum value is 4095. Okay, done. Okay, deploy. Mana? Got start. Connect to the out. Connect to the out. This one, connect to here. Okay. Okay tak okay ni? Your palette okay or not? Don't know. Never mind. Just deploy. We'll see. Tengok. Dia dah apa ni? Not properly configured. Cancel. Tekan ni. Oh, ni tak siap lagi. This one, copy I think broker.hivemq.com. Just type it lah. No, copy from the code. From your code. Ada atas tu. Broker. Okay. Copy. Okay. Add. Topic. Okay. Done. Deploy. Alright. Okay. So over here, dot. Dashboard. And take it out. Tapi you tak delete the text. You need to delete the text. Right. Apa dia, sir? Berjaya ke? Apa? Dah ada belum? Dashboard. Okay. Cari lah. Gods. Okay. Right. Okay. Kenakan dia. Okay. Tambahlah baru. Name. Katilah bagi nama apa. Okay. Lepas tu yang tab ni pun create baru. Bagi nama lagi. Home. Biarlah home. Add. Alright. Add. Okay. Maximum value tu 4095. Okay. Dan deploy. Okay. This one. Dot. Yang drop down. Dashboard. Take it out. Oh, yang ni pun tak delete text ni. Nakal ni. Tu delete text. Bentuk program. Tapi dekat grace lah. Okay, yang ni delete. Yang ni delete. So kita nak purely value saja. Ni, double quote ni pun delete. Double quote sampai plus. Jangan, sama dengan jangan. Itu kita nak bagi value sampai plus. Okay, delete. Kita nak value saja. Right. Okay. So, did you get the code? Open the code. Then, okay. Scroll down. Too fast. Up. Okay. This, you can delete the text. We don't want the text. We just want purely the value only. Okay. Double quote plus symbol pun delete. Right. Okay. Compile. Yeah, upload. Yep. Okay. Are you guys okay? Create a new one. Okay, just add. Unassign. Drop down. Okay, tekan. Okay, this one also create. Add. Okay. Just create lah update. Okay, the maximum value berapa? 40? 4095. Yes, correct. 4095. Okay, done. Deploy. Kenapa kosong ni? Tak ada baca kan? Okay, done. Drop down. No, the upper drop down. No, this one. Upper drop down. Dashboard. Then take it out. Yep. Right. Yeah, everyone okay? How about you guys? Yeah?
This one not okay because this one
The reading is not changed, is it? I think this one is not connected to the correct pin. For example, mana analog value? Analog value 39. Are you sure your potentiometer is at 39? Let me check. $36. Okay. Alright, dah connected.
Oh,
Oh, alright. So over here kita boleh tukar lah. For example like this one, right? Teams. Kita nak duck. Kita deploy. So we can get our duck lah. So this one is on decoration lah. It's one to custom ke what kind of things lah. So for example like Gotch, right? Macam ni kita nak tukar. This one different color. Up to you lah. This one is different. This one is different. Up to you. Or unit. Kita ada unit. It's on decoration. Okay. Right. So everyone okay? Right. So since all of us is a fan of Batman, I would like to choose a dark theme. Mana? Edit. Theme. Dark. Deploy. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Boleh? Okay. Moving, your meter moving. Right. So instead of only having 1 meter, I nak tambah 1 meter tak cukup. Tamak. Kita tamak kan. Kita nak banyak meter. Macam aeroplane. Macam right. Okay. So we try to add another one that we call as a chart. So instead of meter, we also want charts. Right. So our charts, yeah, I deployed it here. Okay, nothing much. You can sit done and deploy. There you go. We have our chart. Boleh? Okay. So, your chart tu pretty straightforward lah. Okay. Okay, you try to search for chart. C-H-A-R-T. Okay, then you drag below gauge. Okay, then you can, okay. Yes, correct. Connect. There. Betul? Tak connect. Okay. Enter. Double click chat. Nothing much. Yeah, done. And deploy. Okay, open. Yep. That's it. Try to adjust the value. Okay. So dia ada chat lah. Alright. Okay. Oh. Boleh? Chat. So we have gauge, we have chat, we have. Oh, stuck. Tak tengoklah. Services dia run ke tak. Tu hidup dah. Hidup dah. Broker reconnect kot tadi. Broker dia try to reconnect. Right, okay. All good? All good? Wah, never. Alright, okay, but we still missing one thing. Right? Alright. Okay. So, previously we have publish and subscribe, right? Right? So we have publish and subscribe. When we said true here, it will turn the LED on. If we said false, it will turn it off. Right? So we no longer want to use Hive MQ. We all depend on this. Right? So what we can do for publish from this side. So MQTT out. Right? MQTT out. Then we put it text. Text. Okay. So try to copy paste this one in QoS2, then done. Mm. Deploy. Oh, salah. Potentiometer. Label, no need label lah. Done. Deploy. Okay. So we have our text below here. If I type it true, it will turn the LED on. If I type it false, it will turn the LED off. Okay? Nah. Boleh? Can, right? Kenapa yang ni connect ke sini? No need. Okay. No, not this one. Delete. Okay, delete. This one also delete. Okay, try to find it one more time. Text. Okay, the first one. Okay, right. Then type one more time. MQTT. Okay, the lower one. Yeah. Right. Okay, connect. Okay. MQTT. Your topic. Do you still remember your topic? If not, you can copy from here. Okay. Double click. Okay, copy all of this. Okay, put it there. Instead of out, change it to in. Okay, this one. Number 2, done. Okay, on text. Okay, done. Try to deploy. Okay, open your dashboard. There, you can type it here. Click here. Okay, true. Cuba try, true. TRUE. No, lower case, all lower case. Tengok, nyala tak? Mana hari ni? Enter. Dah. Tu, nyala. False. Kalau false, enter. Okay. Tu kau dah. True and false, true and false. How about you? Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, kamu eh? Oh. Malam-malam resistor eh? Okay.
How to adjust the
Adjust the
place? Like, I want this
this.
part at the below.
Okay. Open. Try to move.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Cuba deploy again. Okay.
Kita apa ni?
Hah?
Dashboard.
Banyaknya dashboard. Tambah eh. Okay. Oh, tutup semua. Oh, hang. Uh, tu? Apa dia?
Just like any
Ya.
in keluar saja.
Ya, receiving lah. Dia receive lah. Dia ada communication lah. No, because inside here kita set parameter just for false and true only. So other than that dia tak receive lah. Dia tak.
So if
it will turn off lah. Supposed to be turn off lah. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. So if I ask you to implement all 3 sensors, do you able to do that? Do you think you're able to do that? Cannot. Right. So we have about 1 hour left. Okay. Okay, never mind. Kita akan buat sama-sama. Alright. So, yeah, this is Node RAID. Welcome to use Node RAID. It is free. It is open source. You can contribute your effort to the community, and you can gain benefit from it. Okay. It can be used in Raspberry Pi. It can be used for Linux. It can be used for Mac OS. And it can be deployed to a server, right? So that you can access it anywhere, right? Then this is pretty much on the how you implement MQTT to our node RAID, and how we want to display the visual out of our data, right? So for example, let's say that this one, this thing that we developed yesterday, we don't want it to attach here. You can unplug it, attach it to power bank maybe, and deploy it somewhere more relevant, right? So it still connect to the Wi-Fi, it's still transmitting the MQTT data, and it still can provide you that data that you can see. All right, so that's why two PC can correspondent with one things, right? Okay, so previously we faced some problem when we put a text in front of the analog value. This is because of the message or the gauge that we want to develop only can be measured by numbers, right? So, but we still want to be displayed for other purpose. For example, like a screen, right? It is not very friendly if you just display numbers, something like that. We want to make it more user friendly. But how we want to do it? We want text for the text displayer. We want numbers for gauge. How we want to separate this kind of thing? So that's where the JSON format comes in, right? So for this format, instead of one line like this, sensor values, string analog, you transform it into object. Okay, so this object consists of what? This object consists of what? Right? So have you learned object-oriented programming? Yes, right? Even for introduction to programming also, you did learn this. Right? So each object has its own value, and we merge it into JSON format. Right? I'm not really sure what is JSON stand for. JavaScript object notation. So it regarding object, kan? Object oriented programming kan ada object, classes and so on, right? So JSON ni make use of that lah. Alright? Okay. So sama juga, I already write you a program. Okay, inside our teams, we have MQTT JSON, right? Okay, so you can download this and try to run it. All right. Right, okay. So pretty much is quite similar. The only difference is that if you scroll into the loop, void loop, right, you will notice that the orientation of the data is quite different. Okay? Instead of having one line, what is the value and the text, we have this kind of format. Boleh? Alright, okay. So basically over here we separate between ID is one object, ADC is one object, and we can add more, right? So over here, let me check either I connect to the correct 36, mine is 36. Out, yeah, same. Okay, so ada 4 line 4 line. Okay, if you want to edit the previous code, you can do so, but please be careful lah. Alright, kalau tak nanti tak dapat result. Right, so let me just publish it. Publish pula dah. Let me just connect the board, and yeah, of course I need to choose again. Then upload. Okay, yeah, ada balik. Library tak cukup. Okay. So we try to find the library. Arduino, JSON. Right? Arduino JSON by Benoit Blanchon. Right? Version 6.21.2. You can just install it. Sama je sama macam publish subscribe tadi. Alright, successful. Right, kita try compile sekali lagi. Ada few tambahan. So better for you to use the one that I already upload and change the pin number. Right? Right. Okay. Lamanya compile. Right then. Let's see my serial monitor. Okay. So instead of having text, we will get this kind of format. Okay. So when we get this kind of format, dia akan tak boleh baca lah. Right. So yeah, we can delete for a while. This one. Okay. So referring to the slide, okay, from just a simple message, double quote, whatever that we want to type, double quote plus whatever value that we want to put. We put it into object format, right? So we serialize JSON by using our document, which is our value, into our message. So basically in our message there are multiple format, right? Okay. This is different on the codes lah. Other than library ke whatsoever, you need to declare the object and so on, right? Then this is the different when you display the code. Okay, let me change to my node rate. Then I just put it debug and deploy. So this is how the code display in JSON format. There ada dua objek, ID and also ADC. Okay, right. So okay, kejap Right, so they're from this one to another one. Then in our node rate, we need to transform, right? So we receive the object, right? So but we need to take only whatever that we want. For example, we just need to have a value. We don't want to have a full sentence of ID equal to this, ADC equal to this. We don't want that, right? So what we can do, we can put JSON and function, right? So back to our node rate, instead of having straight line like this, you put it far away. Then you put JSON at the middle, right? So basically you want to convert back the value. Then another one, we call it function. We want to put function. Okay. So basically we have something extra lah compared to previous one, right? So easier for us to handle the value or the data. Alright, okay, tengok balik slide. Then this what we need to type in our function, edit function node Okay, so we edit the function node. Kita double click je. Apa tadi? Lupa dah. Message payload ADC. Right? Okay, so kat sini ada message payload equal to message payload ADC. Right? So siapa yang dah belajar object oriented programming should know lah. Meaning that we take the ADC object out of our data. So kat sini kena make sure ADC lah Kat sini kita tengok mana tadi? Ni. This one ADC. ADC meaning that kita nak value ADC lah. Okay? So kalau kat sini nama dia ADB, you should key in ADB lah. ADC1, ADC1 lah. Right? But we want this value, so we call ADC. Right? Then we try to enroll undefined. Tengok balik.
Itu variable name good. You just return message
Oh,
send message document.
Yep. Tapi, okay, we try. Eh, sekejap eh. Let me try first.
Line one is the variable name,
Hmm,
then we return the
sama
variable
juga.
instead.
Sama, undefined. Oh ni. Hmm?
I was thinking the variable, right? First one.
Hmm?
Is it? It is. Then we just return the variable name, and then the variable contains this thing, right? Then we return the variable.
Okay, try. Sama juga. Sekejap je. In fact, it's not moving. Okay, nevermind. Kita tengok dulu. Sebab ni message payload. Sekejap eh. Where did I do wrong? Okay. Undefined. Hmm. Debug. Hmm. Never mind. I will try to find why the payload is not here. Okay. Right. So okay. So biarkan yang ni dulu. And in our code, can we add all the three sensor? So instead of only ADC, I would like to have everything inside. For example, let's say that P potentiometer. Then I would like to have dot LDR. Okay. Then I would like to have dot what we call it moist sensor. Right. So yeah, we do this first. Then meanwhile, I'm looking for the solution. Right. So we have three sensor. Right. So yeah, same goes with this one. Kita nak tukar lah. Make sure that you did not confuse to adjust the value, yeah. For example, LDR analog read 39, is it? Integer moist sensor analog read 34. Okay. So over here LDR, over here uh, amp sensor, moist sensor. Okay. Okay. Let's see first. I think that's about it lah kan. Nothing much. Okay. Try. Okay. So yeah, you will get the value of LDR and you will get the moist sensor, right? So we try to transfer all the value. Okay. So moist sensor I still got 1718. So in my node rate also I will have this kind of value, right? Not only for the ID, I will get also the value for potentiometer and also ni null ni kenapa? Null ni maksudnya we try to troubleshoot lah. Longgar kot. Okay. Right? Hmm. Okay. Rasanya laju sangat lah ni. So can I make it 2 second? Alright, okay. So yeah, this is the value that we get for our 3 sensor. Right? Okay. Let me try to figure JSON format out first. Then I will show to you after the lunch lah. So basically we have prepared our data. Boleh? Okay. Can? Okay. ADC. Okay. If you close, sure the pin is correct. Okay. Tak tambah pun. Analog. Scroll down. Scroll down. This analog. Add up all 3 sensor. Kenapa Jason tak boleh, Sarah? Okay, dah tambah dah.
Kita pun nak tahu, tapi naik lah. Kita nak bangun.
LDR? Pin 7 ke? Tak boleh. Sekejap. Yang tu hold first. Apa dia keluar? Undefined kan? Ada missing lah kat function tu. Saya tak ingat. Ni dah kenapa ni? Dah boleh? Boleh lah. What do you mean tak boleh? Alright. Okay. Kenapa ni? Visit. Okay lah, visit. Right. So do you have all three value with you? Mana? Tak tambah. Kenapa tak boleh meh? Aku lupa lah. Dia patut message payload je. Message dot payload. Kan? Lepas tu equal. Pasal apa? Hang punya ada prom ni. Tapi tak ada apa. Message payload dot ADC. ADC kan? ADC kan? Dia nak ambil daripada situ je. Undefined. Undefined ni maksudnya tak declare lah kan? Maksudnya dia tak jumpa ADC ni kan? Betul tak? Kalau payload saja, buat balik lah patutnya. Buat undefined juga. Define. Tak apa, nanti aku tengok balik. Kat sini tak ada apa kosong. Kat sini tak ada apa lah. Kan? Ini ambil je lah dua-dua. Between kan? Between. Okay, tak ada apa. Ha? Masa aku dah try tadi. Semalam aku try dekat rumah kan. Takut yang kat rumah tu aku dah adjust lah. Ada start yang terlupa kan. Bukan dia orang ni. Tak apa. I don't know lah. Later I will check. Okay. Done. Right. So make sure that you can extract these three sensor. Then we will manipulate that sensor. We will display all the sensor to our dashboard after lunch. Right. So, okay. So before we go for our lunch, a little bit early today. Okay. Alright. Any question? Ada soalan? Tak ada. Tak ada eh? Right. So basically we need to cover a little bit more before we end our session today, which means that after lunch lah. Right? So we try, okay, MQTT settle, Wi-Fi settle, dashboard development using Node-RED settle, JSON on the middle, kita on the way lah. Then the last part is on data logging. Okay, so once we can log the data, then we done lah. We complete the whole IoT system. Right, kan? Kita dah ada user interface, kita dah ada a little bit of analytic, kita dah ada gateway, which is our PC. We have our thing here, then only a little bit on the data logging. Okay? Alright. Alright, ada soalan ke so far? So make sure that you're able to extract these three value of sensors. to JSON format. Okay. So afternoon kita akan take this value from a JSON format and display to our dashboard all the sensors. Alright, okay. Yeah, I think that's all for morning session. We shall meet again at 2 p.m. And yeah, you can go out for your lunch. Bye bye.